Welcome everybody to the JuiceBox, the show where we give you reviews and interviews of young artists on the come up,
as well as entertainment news that you can choose to refute or use.
So if that's something you're interested in, I recommend you subscribe, probably like to, or you can give us a thumbs down if you feel like that.
We prefer these, brother.
We prefer these, yeah.
So you're gonna tell your friends, so they can tell their friends, and we can all be friends.
But I'm not your friend.
It's okay, you can subscribe.
This week we got Lazlo Gunner, but more on that later.
So now let's get into
the news.
So yeah, I know it's very sad. South Africa's probably still mourning the death of Hugh Masekela, and that Hugh, you know, he gave us great music.
It's black.
So seeing as Hugh is giving us so much lovely music and he's done such great things, they're actually having a tribute for him at the Cape Town Jazz Festival. What up, Cape Town Jazz Festival? Well done for that. So I actually wanted to touch on, even though it's just news and we're grateful for that, how many South African artists did they give tribute to?
At the Jazz Festival?
Just in any capacity.
You know, it's very tough, you know. It doesn't really happen so much. You know, you have to die to be famous in this country.
That was a moment of silence for Brad Hugh. Next. Speaking of other things dying, Mabala noise. Mabala noise. Remember they came out hyped up like, yo, we're gonna give everybody. You get 5 million rand. You get 5 million. You get 5 million rand.
Salary to a rapper, like a salary. So now they are not making noise anymore.
I know, now they're not making noise. I think they just muted them for a bit.
Sure.
Because the founder, right, this guy decided he wants to go back into politics.
Oh, okay.
He wants to go. He's tired of the music politics telling people, hey, budget for video. Now he's trying to tell us, hey, budget for education.
Maybe you'll see him running for something and giving 5 million to his first employee.
No,
5 million to
But no lie, he's actually in the running to be the new president of the ANC Youth League. So I think that's why it's just like, Mabala, who? Youth League.
Yeah. Alright, in other news now, recently, you know when somebody spends a whole lot of money or something, like if you're a drinker,
ballin'. That's what he's talking about. Ballin' out.
I'll hear that Mang Mang just spent $250 on like an ice cream. I'm like, yo, ice cream. Well, Jay-Z actually blew 1.6 million rand on his friend's birthday on bottles of Ace of Spades. Bought 40 bottles of Ace of Spades. I was like, yo!
Shampoo,
the real one, not JC.
Not JC, the real shampoo.
Like, I was touched.
You don't spend that much money on champagne. You're gonna piss it out.
You know what? He was just drowning his own sorrows.
What sorrows? Do you know something I don't know about JC?
The one that we know with the Beyonce and the whatever.
Oh.
I'm sorry. We're on a lane.
Like now you said, I could cough with that hero. I don't know Black Panther.
Okay, yes.
Wakanda forever. Yes.
Yeah.
So the Black Panther, you know, like they have the album out and everything.
Sure.
Dope, yeah, vibes. So now you know that Kendrick and SZA song. Your name.
What?
Okay, to take visuals. Continue singing. Then I'll start some visuals.
Are you dancing to the news?
Yes. This lady, Lena Victor, is actually suing them because they apparently. She's from Britain.
Oh, what's guys British? Senior smile.
So she's legit. Like, apparently, like Marvel has been asking her since 2016 for like, because she's like an artist, you know, she's artsy. So she like has like a very nice collection of arts and graphics and images. Okay. So they've been asking in 2016, 2017, and she was like, no, not my stuff. you know.
Oh, so she has like her artsy stuff, and Marvel has been wanting to use it
yes.
in their movies.
Yes, and she was like, no. And then now with the video that came out, she actually realized that, yo, that's some of her artwork in the video. And she was like, us English don't play like that. We do not play like that, darling.
See, and if you want to sue, go big. I say go big.
Go big, go. She probably learned from them Americans.
Sure. So now, so she's going to want a piece of that. First week sales, some guy 4 billion. Alright, 4 billion bucks.
So vele mzansi ka fela itamele yakho sisimeri aricela umthungele East Xhosa ngiyobheka Black Panther. Wakanda forever. So speaking of Black Panther, Wakanda forever, they took a few blacks from South Africa and put them on the album. You know, there's Babes, there's Java, there's Saudi.
Sure.
Saudi's the one with the nails, man.
The nails and the hair and the neck.
Oh yeah, and the neck.
Shout out to Ambitious.
What up, Ambitious?
For getting the artists in there. I mean, that is huge.
I haven't listened to the album yet, you know. I'm hearing good views, like, it's a good album, it's dope. So, if you were to, like, if you've never, like, have you heard the album?
Of course not.
Okay. So you still haven't heard the album. Who would you, like, listen to, like, gravitate towards? Babes, Java, or Saudi?
So we gotta choose from who?
Babes,
yeah.
Saudi, and Java.
Java. Alright. You mean I heard about Reason being on the tape? I was so excited. Reason, Wakanda forever, Reason. And then Bada.
Not the real reason.
Oh, that's not the real reason. I was shocked though.
Reason your name has been taken.
Twins, Java, Saudi, and Babes. Who would I want to listen to on the album? I would really want to hear Java because it sounds like, you know, Java's voice is on that
Taxi drive.
That home feeling voice is Wakanda is home, but you know. So yeah, I'd listen to Java.
You know, I wanna hear.
Yeah.
Babes.
Babes.
You know, are you gonna ask me why?
Why?
I want to hear Babes because, you know, it's Babes, man. Like, what you doing with Kendrick, girl?
Oh,
I hear that, girl.
Okay. So
and I hope it's not on time. Black Panther. Oh, no. The other girl that was on it now, Yugen Blackrock. I think that's how you say it.
Also South African?
Yeah, she's South African. You know, she's been in the hip hop game for like 10 years now.
Okay.
My bad, girl. I don't know you. I'm gonna try to get to know you. But in all seriousness, well done to all 4 of you artists for getting the plug. It's a very great platform, and you know what? Wakanda forever.
Okay, I got one last thing to mention.
Okay.
The whole remember we were talking about Mabala? So like,
Mabala
do you think they got the memo on some, hey guys, we are going to shut down, please look for other avenues? Because the whole Nasty C and the whole Universal thing is like, how?
Ooh,
but the soul, Universal, next thing we know, Mabala gone. Aye, man.
But did you see the tweets that they put out? You know, I was feeling the tweet.
Mabala forever.
But I don't know if it's Instagram tweet or whatever. Until he got to the power. When I win a Grammy, I'ma pull a nigga up and be like, yo, thank you, Mabala. Like, God forbid, if you don't get a Grammy, you're never gonna shout this nigga out.
Sure.
I think that's a question I'm gonna leave with. And that was venue.
Alright, guys. So our panel of judges, they're really just a bunch of nobodies. They're gonna review Lazlo Gunner, Kid from the East. Check it out.
Rapper, songwriter, everything extraordinary.
Right.
I'm not done. He does everything. He's out here, you know, writing songs, singing the vibe. Slash whatever.
What up, everybody? What up, guys? This is Tio. This is Q's. And this is the panel. Who are we? Just a bunch of nobodies, really. Bunch of nobodies. This week on the show, who do we have? We have Lazlo Gunner. Lazlo, we interviewed him yesterday. Yeah, we went to interview him yesterday. It was a good interview. Yeah. What would you say about his look? I mean, I'd say it's retro. Retro. Yeah, it's got a good sense of fashion. Yeah, cool, calm, collected. Not really flashy. It agrees with me. Yeah. Obviously, you won't see a Rolex on the You're not going to see no Rolex unless your name is Anati. Yeah. Well, number 2, what do you say about his music, his content? I got a lot to say about it. Alright. I mean, we were listening to the Brainstorm mixtape,
Yeah.
right? It gives me this feeling of triumphantness. Yeah, you can see that he's hungry for the game.
Definitely.
But I can see which direction he was trying to
It's a
take.
very retro project, I'll admit.
If we get into the tracks, White Boat. What do you think of White Boat?
White Boat. What would you say about White Boat?
It keeps me hooked. You know what I like about his mixtape? Even with the criticism,
Yeah.
the Brainstorm mixtape, you can hear on some of his hooks. He tries to keep the topic. Like when you listen to White Boat, he has a line where he says, "Don't rain on my parade." You know, brainstorm, rain on my parade.
Yeah.
So you can see he's trying to keep to the theme,
To the concept and
Yeah,
stuff.
right.
So definitely have a concept. And Girls Love Rappers. What you think about
Girls
this?
Love Rappers. That's the one with the video, right?
Yeah, no. That's
not the one with the video.
the one with the video though.
Guys.
Yeah, when we get to that one, guys, you should check that video out.
You need to see it. Girl, where your mama at? Where your mama at? That's all I got to say about that. One of the tracks that stands out is Presidential Speech.
Yeah, I like the beat and the beat.
Yeah, the construction of the song is very concise. I like that. And the guy in the third verse
Triple V.
gives me a very Rick Ross like style. I can see Rick Ross on that song in 2008. It's a good song. Though.
Yeah, very, really catchy beat. And
I mean, you can tell that he was doing it early on. When you listen to a song like Billy, you can really see the growth of Lazlo.
Yeah, Billy's a really nice jam. I'll admit, Lazlo, nice one there. What do you think about his impact in the game, though?
His impact in the game, you know what? I feel like I knew Lazlo Gunner before I knew his music. He has a recurring role on this thing.
Oh, okay.
So I've seen him a few times. I saw him on.
Dave, what? Come Dave, what's that show?
It's not Day My Family.
Oh,
Take Me Out.
Take Me Out,
Mzansi.
Mzansi. Oh,
Yeah. He was a contestant on Take Me Out, Mzansi. Did he ever get a date?
No, I think he did.
He did.
He
did get a
nice,
date. Look, man. I feel like he'll have more impact in the game as it goes on.
As it goes on.
Yeah, and when I look at his popularity, it's on a higher level than most up-and-comers because of the fact that he has on-screen time. So when you see him later on, it won't be like, who is this nigga?
I understand. To be honest, as an up-and-comer, he's okay. If he really wants to make an impact, we just spoke about his impact in the game, he needs to work on his popularity.
Would you say he has a future in the game, though?
Future in the game? I say he has a future in entertainment. I feel there is a lot more to come from Lazlo. I feel he's just scratching the surface of his talent and stuff for whatever he has to offer. So I'll reserve my judgment as to whether he has a future, but there is room for improvement. Oh, but he does have 2 projects coming up. Yeah. How would you rate him on the sauce meter?
On the sauce meter, man.
Does he have the sauce?
Does he have the sauce? Big boss.
Yeah.
No sauce.
No sauce.
Raw sauce.
Alright.
I'd say he's mild.
You say he's mild. I'd say he's mild with a touch of lemon. Just a touch.
Touch of lemon and herb.
Touch of lemon and herb.
Alright, guys, that was us.
Yeah.
Once again, I am Q's.
T.O.
And who are we, man?
What do we know?
Just a bunch of nobodies. Back to you.
Yeah, I know, that took forever, bro. What are you laughing at? Anyway, that was the panelists, guys. Honestly, I know those guys.
The children now, it's bedtime now for the kids.
They took so long just to... What did they even do?
I don't know. They're talking stuff.
Do we need that section? It's like, you know what? We're hiring new panelists. If you want to be a panelist on this show, put your name and surname and signature in the comment section, which is below us. Okay, anyway, guys, that was the show, by the way. That's the show. That is the JuiceBox, where you get reviews and interviews of the latest upcoming young artists right here.
And the news that you choose to use or refuse, just like we are going to choose to refuse these panelists.
So if that's something you're interested in, please consider subscribing or liking. That's if you do like, or you can give us these, but we prefer these. So yeah, guys, we out.
Bye. Oh my God, listen.
Yeah.
No. He's running around.